How to add new services on Square. Adding new services on Square is a process that can be done through Square Appointment app or the Square dashboard. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Square account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page, you'll be brought to your checkout page. At the lower part of the screen, you can see some icons such as checkouts, transactions, notifications, more. So the next step is to click on the more option. After clicking on the more option, we take it to the profiles page where you'd see a number of items or items such as orders, reports, items, customers, add-ons, referrals, support, settings. Okay, so as you can see, this next step is to click on settings, then click on account. Okay, let's go back. Click on security. This is because you have to access the dashboard, so just click on options, security. So as you can see all of this, next step is to navigate to your dashboard by going to your Google Chrome and then just entering in your Square dashboard. Okay, so as you see, just click on it to load it. All right, it might take a while, just wait patiently for it to load.